Anti-Semite of the Year award goes to, that's right, Yehuda Ferris of Chabad of the East Bay, attorney William John Rogers out of Petaluma, license number 154219. And the third Anti-Semite of the Year award goes to attorney Briar Horn out of San Francisco Brightwork Law, license number 330-219. What did they do? Well, a cancer patient who lived in Berkeley for 35 years suddenly got 6 months to live, but he lived 6 years because one of his siblings was helping him as best he could, and he was getting great treatment at UCSF. So a year before he dies, he writes a trust, and he says, I own half of this house in Berkeley, 1810 Grant Street. It's worth $2 million. He owns half. And he says, I'm giving a quarter of my half to my three siblings because they're old and poor in their 60s. They don't have any skills or trades or anything. They're basically might as well be living in the street because they have no money, no income, no skills, no college education. So he says to trustee Yehuda Ferris of Chabad of the East Bay, who lives in a $6 million mansion for 45 years, he says, give 25% of my half of the house to my three siblings. Then, however, Yehuda Ferris and his lawyer, William John Rogers, come up with another plan. They have a trust that he supposedly wrote 4 months before he died, but they didn't even follow that one. That one said to pay the three siblings a total of $90,000 combined to split three ways, and if they don't get it in 9 months, it becomes a interest-bearing lien on the property until paid in full. Well, they never put a lien on the property. They never paid the siblings. They sold the property for $80,000, and it's 2 blocks from Yehuda Ferris's house of worship. And his wife, Yehuda Ferris's wife, owns tons of real estate, and she's going around telling everybody how she's going to sell the house. In the meantime, 5 years later, the siblings haven't got a dime. William John Rogers wrote these trusts, and he said, give $90,000 to the three siblings to split. And instead, he gets $60,000 in attorney's fees, and the beneficiaries have gotten nothing. This is why they're all three recipients of the Anti-Semite of the Year award. It's public record, case number RP 221-20163.